This presentation is about paper grain direction. The objectives are: first, to determine different effects of paper grain direction. Second, additional knowledge of paper characteristic. For example, short grain, long grain, CD and MD. Third, to avoid using wrong grain that will affect our quality. How do paper grain are formed? The direction of fibers in a sheet or web of paper, generated during paper formation. As paper moves forward along the forming wire on a paper-making machine, the fibers align themselves in a direction parallel to the direction of wire travel through the machine, also called machine direction. Let's watch video of a paper mills company abroad. When paper is cut into sheets, it will be either long grain or grain long if the fibers are aligned parallel to the sheet's longer dimension, or short grain or grain short if the fibers are aligned parallel to the sheet's shorter dimension. There are several ways to determine grain direction. 1. Tear test. Take a sheet of paper and tear it horizontally and then vertically. One tear should have been straighter than the other. The tear that was straighter is parallel to the grain. The jagged tear is going across the grain. 2. Bend test. Take a sheet of paper, bend the paper, don't fold or crease it, horizontally and vertically. There will be less resistance in one direction than the other. The bend with less resistance is parallel to the grain. 3. Fingernail test. Take a sheet of paper and using the fingernails of your thumb and middle finger, pinch the paper and slide them across and then down the paper. One direction should produce a wave. The wave indicates that you went across the grain. 4. Moisture test. A piece of paper taken from the test sheet is moisturized on one side. As the paper expands, it curls around MD or machine direction. How grain affect the process? Offset printing. Grain direction is an important consideration in printing processes such as sheet-fed offset lithography, in particular multiple color work, especially in connection with dimensional stability. How well a particular sheet of paper will retain its original length and width upon exposure to moisture and pressure. When paper fibers absorb water, they will expand in width or CD, but not in length or MD. Therefore, the direction of greater dimensional change will be in the cross-grain direction. Long grain paper is sometimes preferred than to short grain paper for color offset lithographers, as the total dimensional change due to moisture will be less if the expansion is in the shorter dimension. This is an important consideration when separate colors in multiple color jobs need to align properly. However, in black and white and single color jobs, short grain paper is preferred, as register is not such a concern. Hygroscopic behavior of paper boards. Paper gain or lose moisture due to ambient humidity. All paper properties change with moisture content. Paper expands and contracts with moisture changes, typically 0.8% in MD and 1.6% in CD. Dimensional changes can cause register problems. Offline coating, roller type. This requirement refers only to offline water-based coating. If paper passed through coater rollers on cross direction, there's a possibility that paper will wrap around the roller, because of its characteristic that easy to bend. And paper becomes softer when water-based chemical applied on it. Corrugated lamination. The grain direction of the top sheet should be opposite of the corrugated flute direction. Incorrect grain direction limits the ability to adjust for warp or curl on the finished sheet. This results in the grain direction of all three components being the same. Grain direction of all three components being the same will affect the reaction to the sheet in a like manner with moisture adjustments. If one of the components' grain direction were reversed, The curl or warp that comes with moisture adjustments would be adversely affected. Recommended grain. Publishing, specifically in book binding. When you are binding a book, always make sure the paper grain of every page is parallel to the binding edge of the book. Do not mix grain directions in book pages. Why? You could encounter any or all of these problems. 1. Pages resist turning. 2. Paper edges are wavy. 3. Binding edge is bulky and distorted. 4. Pages flare outward. 5. Book snaps closed when you try to open it. Packaging. Generally, the grain direction should be vertical with the main creasing line or the longest creasing line. Advantages. It makes the four surfaces of the box body smooth, avoid ballooning phenomenon. It is helpful to high-speed automatic gluing machine. The creasing line is not easy to burst and break, especially on thick paper. Okay guys, thank you for watching and prepare for short exam.